What's up everyone? It's me, your Sulitri John Valencian. Welcome back to Chula Asia Diaries. Mega love sa mga kapamilya. For today, we're back for another ASAP reaction para sa reunion performance ng Pinoy Pop Superstars Grand Champions, Jonah and Gerald. Oh my God, this is so exciting. Like Season 1 and Season 2, diba? Grand Champions. So tignan natin ano ang kanilang kakantahin sa ASAP. And I'm so excited to see their performance. But before proceed, mga kapamilya, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. All right, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is, guys. Oh my God. Si Mayora, oh. Kailangan. Namiss ko ang Mayora. Namiss ko yung mga hagod ng Mayora. Full of emotion talaga kapag Jonah no? Oh my God! And then Gerald Santos, no? Tama ba? Season 1 and Season 2 sila, guys? You can correct me in the comment section kasi tagal na nun, no? But I've watched their journey sa Pinoy Pop Superstar. Hanggang ang diwa ko tanging sa'yo lang. Gerald still has that yung sweet vocal. Hanggang pag-ibig ko'y hanggang walang hanggan, tanging ikaw lamang. You still have that balladeer, sweet vocal, no? Kasi yun, dun niya nakuha yung Pinoy Pop Superstar sa mga power ballads niya na full of emotion. Para sila yung Jonah, yung puso sa pagkanta, they got it. Hanggang may himig pa akong naririnig dito sa ating daigdig. Favorite ko to. Kanta to for my lolo. Hanggang may musika akong tinataglay, kita'y iniibig. Diba? Yung sweet vocal ni Gerald. Grabe. I love his vibrato pa din. No? Andun pa rin talaga yung soulful and heartfelt vocal ni Gerald. Woohoo! Binabanato tayo ng Mayora. Grabe escalation of vocal. Hirap nun, guys. Counterpart din sila. Napanood natin yung kay Laika and Darren. Grabe yung counterpart na yun. Tignan natin ang dalawang champion ng Pinoy Pop Superstars. Wow! Grabe ang Mayora. Sustained high notes full of emotion. Iba talaga pag bumanat ang Mayora. And the counterpart of Gerald. Ang hirap na kasi main vocal si Jonah and then Gerald is doing the counterpart. Ang hirap humabol nun pag ganun, guys. It looks so easy for them but it's not that easy. So, balikan natin. Grabe yung sustain nun. One breathing high notes. Oh! love it! There you have it, guys. That is the two champion face-off of Pinoy pop superstar Gerald Santos and Mayora Jonalyn Biray. Grabe! I love it. Iba pa rin talaga ang atake ng Mayora. No? Iba yung very emotional and heartfelt. Yun yung strength nilang dalawa ni Gerald on their season. Doon nila nakuha yung, yung mga boto ng tao. And the comment of the judges, yung puso sa pagkanta, sobrang nararamdaman. And they still both have it, especially Mayora, grabe yung sustained high notes, one breathing, guys. And of course, the balladeer vocal of Gerald na kalmado lang and full of emotion. So, heartfelt, ganun pa rin. Talagang they still have it until now, and we saw their journey as a music artist, and I hope that Gerald can come back, no, and be a regular in ASAP as well, be part of ASAP Champions. Who knows, guys? Kung gusto nyo yun, syempre mag-comment down below kayo at ano man sabi nyo sa performance na ito. Parang ang daming mga reunion talaga nangyayari nowadays. Sex Bomb, di ba? Yung mga ganyang reunion na talaga naman very nostalgic, but still the feeling is the same. Ganda nun, guys. And of course, kung nag-enjoy kayo sa ating reaction for today, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.